Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Y'all saw it in the thumbnail, saw it in the title. We're going to talk about what happened with the soldier. We're not going to talk about what happened, we're going to talk about the resolution of the soldier that lost his demon, and actually the guy that bought his demon, what the outcome is, and what Haik has done to try and rectify the situation. Hit that intro. Not that one, the new one. Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Y'all saw the intro, you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title. Let's talk about what Haik has done to Dodge and Haik has done to rectify this service member situation. And not only that, the guy that bought his demon as well. So Haik is also taking care of him. But we'll get to that in a minute. First off, I want to make something perfectly clear. Yes, this happened to a service member, and the emotion attached to our service members has brought this to light. Yes, this situation has probably happened to hundreds of people looking for demons. And yes, we can't save everyone. But through this one save, hopefully we can begin to change the culture altogether. Now that's a big ask, a big task, and it's probably not going to anytime soon. It's not going to happen overnight. But as more and more of these situations come to light, more and more situations come into the news, into the social media, putting pressure on these dealerships to do the right thing rather than screw people over. Or if they do screw people over, they're going to get found out, right, sooner or later. So TK Garage is doing a bunch of these things. He's asked for people to send him stories. OC Motivator has asked for people to send him these stories. Butter to Insider continues to do some of these stories. So there's YouTubers out there that are going to take these stories, run them on their, now they can't run all of them on their channel, right? But they're going to run these stories on their channel again to try and begin to change the culture of the car buying experience. But yes, I feel for all of those people that have gotten screwed out of their demons, red eyes, scat packs, all of this overpaying, all of the markups that people are paying. All we can do is take one at a time, chop this elephant one bite at a time, and begin to try and make change. That's what it's all about, folks. It's not about singling out, you know, oh, this soldier, or oh, you know, we're trying to take care of veterans and service members, which we are, because I am a veteran. TK's a veteran. OC Motivator's a veteran, right? So we're all veterans trying to take care of each other. And oh, by the way, you people that comment in my comments that you veterans and you service members are whiny and crying, tell this service member's family about we're whining and crying. Oh, how about this service member? Tell his family or her family that we're whining and crying. Tell these 7,000 sailors on a ship in the middle of the ocean protecting your rights to be able to comment like you do in the comments. Because in some other countries, you can't do that. In some other countries, you don't even have social media. In some other countries, every step you take is monitored. Everything online is monitored. So when you come in and comment that we're whining and crying because we're service members, that's just totally disrespectful, in my opinion, because we're out there fighting for your rights to do what you do in this country that you can't do in a lot of other countries. So enough about that. Let's talk about what's happening with this service member. So y'all seen it. So what I'm trying to do is recap what TK Garage has already put out. So if you want to hear it from the horse's mouth, go check out TK Garage's channel, watch his videos, subscribe to his channel. He's doing some great stuff to try and help make a change, and that's what it's all about, making a change. OC Motivator, he's out there. He's been doing a lot of these videos to try and help people not get scammed at the dealership. So go subscribe to his channel, watch his videos. But for this specific situation, this service member, Tim Canisius, Dodge has stepped up and said, all right, we're gonna get you a Demon, we'll repaint it, we'll add whatever stuff you want in there, and we're gonna give it to you for MSRP. And not only is he getting it at MSRP, he is taking delivery at Jay Leno's garage. Now, if that's not pretty freaking cool, that's pretty cool. But he has a choice. And here we go with what Mack Haik has done. So Mack Haik has bought back that Demon, his F8 green Demon. So it's sitting in the showroom at Mack Haik right now. They have reached out to the service member to say, hey, we have your Demon, we'll sell it back to you. Now, what price and stuff and all of that, I don't know. TK didn't really put that out there. And he's doing all the research on this. So I'm just kind of recapping. So the Mack Haik reached out to the service member, said, hey, you can buy your Demon back. Here it is. So now he's got a choice. He can either go with Dodge's offer or Mack Haik's offer. Now, me personally, I'm with TK. I would go with Dodge's just because of the niceties that they're adding in there. But, also, he gets an extended warranty if he buys it from Mack Haik, a free extended warranty. Again, don't know the price, but he can buy his original Demon that he ordered back from Mack Haik. So, if Mack Haik has stood up and fired all of the people involved with this dealings, this shenanigans, the manager is gone, the salesman is gone, and I'm sure there's a couple other people in there that are gone too. And again, if you want to know the real story, go to TK's Garage. He goes in depth into who got fired, who got hired, and what's happening with the dealership now. So if the service member doesn't buy that Demon back, Mack Haik's plan is to auction off that vehicle, and anything over invoice, what they paid for the vehicle, anything over invoice, not MSRP, anything over invoice, will be donated to a charity chosen by the service member and presented in his name. So that's also pretty cool. So it's really a win-win no matter which way the service member goes, whether he picks the Dodge's deal, which is pretty cool, or he picks Dodge's deal, and then he gets stuff donated to charity of his choosing, which is really cool. So really entices him more to take Dodge's deal than Mack Haik's deal. But you know, and they're taking some other, you know, that's the plan. So they're taking other ideas. So if you have an idea on what you would like to see done with that Demon, go to TK's Garage, comment on his video, because he is the one that's directly coordinating with the dealership. He is the one that's doing all of this background investigations and everything. So again, make sure you go to his channel, check out his videos as well. This is just kind of summing up what he has done. So there you go. Dodge stepped up. He can get a Demon from Dodge. 2, he can buy his original Demon back from Mack Haik with an extended warranty. And oh, by the way, the guy that bought his Demon, Mack Haik, is also taking care of that guy and getting him another Demon. Now, I don't know what price he's paying. I don't know if he's paying MSRP or MSRP plus a markup. I'm not really sure. but he was already prepared to pay. Well, he already paid $60,000 over markup, so he's prepared to pay some kind of markup. But I don't know what those dealings are. Again, go check out TK Garage. He'll have an update and keep y'all up to date on what's going on. So there you go. Both of those fellas that got screwed over are being taken care of. Yes, that's 2 out of probably hundreds. But this elephant is so big, you can only take 1 bite at a time. And we just took 2 bites. So hopefully we keep going down this road and we can affect change in the car buying experience for everybody, not just for a specific group of people. That's what this is all about. So hopefully that clears things up, tells you what Dodge is doing, what Mack Haik is doing, and the 2 people that are getting taken care of. That's it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till the next one, adios.